Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and these amazing pre-cuts are all from Moda. This is like a quilter's playground. I'm literally so inspired by everything on the table. You might have joined us here a few months back where we were able to launch our first round of pre-cuts where you could pre-order those. As you know, Moda makes these amazing pre-cuts that we all covet just one time. And so many times by the time we get that perfect pattern, that pre-cut's not available anymore. We just didn't know it. We didn't have a chance to get it. So once again, Moda has been amazing to give us this little window of time to be able to pre-sell these pre-cuts. And I mean, I went crazy when the Moda sales rep came to see us. I just fell in love. There's 10 collections here. I'm just going to start with my left and move right, and we're going to talk about each one of those, showing you these pre-cuts. You're able to pre-order those. I want to tell you, when you pre-order those, you get better pricing. You know you're going to get the product, and it's a very small amount of money. I think $1.95 for some, even less for others. And you know you're going to get it. We'll be ordering one specifically for you, which to me is just wonderful. We are carrying more and more pre-cut patterns than we've ever had before, and we are getting busy as a design team to put out more pre-cut patterns. So when you grab these, we'll have something to inspire you. All right, let's kick this off. Camille Ross Kelly's Shoreline. She is obviously one of the most popular designers at Moda. She just makes lovely patterns and, of course, beautiful fabric. Shoreline by Camille Ross Kelly. If you love those blues and the creams and the greens, be sure to reserve your pre-cuts for Shoreline, and soon you'll be able to also sign up to be notified when yardage is coming in for that as well. Starberry by Coriander Quilts. Preorder. She's another super popular designer. I love what she's doing, this beautiful red, cream and green, but I love she adds just that unexpected black into this collection, which just adds a lot of drama and beauty. So be sure to pick up Starberry if that is exactly what you're hoping to find this coming Christmas. Hey Boo by Leela Boutique. So much fun and unexpected Halloween, right? We're seeing more of that, where people are adding in some kind of almost pinks, a little bit of purples. I've seen some of her earlier designs on this that she's already got underway, and they're all darling. This one's going to be very popular for Halloween of 2024. So be sure to pick up Hey Boo. Moda has a new designer now, Heather Briggs by My So Quilty Life, a wonderful pattern designer, a great marketer. This very pretty, soft, almost shabby chic collection, just so soothing. Beautiful pre-cuts, of course, and she is a very ambitious designer. Heather will have a lot of new patterns coming out for this, and we'll be looking for those as well to be adding those to our offerings here at Shabby Fabrics. And Ann Sutton's new collection, My Summer House, is just darling. Of course, Ann's a friend of mine. Her collections just resonate with me. Always a very sweet theme, all kinds of cute little cottages and trees. This one is very sweet. We will have some designs for sure coming up with Ann's beautiful collection, My Summer House. This collection is absolutely stunning here. This is Coming Up Roses by Create Joy. They continue to have these beautiful watercolor style designs, and it's just like one fabric flows into the next. This is that type of collection where the more of these you have working in concert, the better. It really just brings a lot of depth, beauty, and variance to any design. It takes a simple design with this amazing quilt and makes it so visually impressive. I love that. The Great Outdoors, Stacy Issue, we all love her designs. She is another very, very popular designer at Moda. She has a really fun, great outdoor kind of camping theme. When we send our kids off to camp, how fun to be able to send them off with maybe a special pillowcase, a special blanket, maybe even a quillo. Lots of things coming down the pike for this collection. This one is Woodland Winter. She is just an amazing artist. Her beautiful woodland animals, very calming, very soothing. We certainly see a lot of these animals here in North Idaho, maybe in where you live as well. Just again, those beautiful greens, the reds, the cream. She's got some black and just a little bit of some beautiful blue in that collection. So be sure to pick up the Woodland Winter Precuts by Deb Strain. Cozy Wonderland by Fancy That Design House. I love that she always has this really fun, impactful teals that she adds to that. It just adds this really fun dimension there. She also has these emerald greens included in this collection. And I love her creams are nice and warm, almost ecru. It's very warm, almost retro collection on this one. So be sure to pick up Cozy Wonderland. Once Upon a Christmas by Sweetfire, obviously another very, very popular designer at Moda. She has her red, her creams, her greens, but of course they always add something that's extra special, and this time it's pink, which I think takes this very retro. So you can see Moda absolutely knocked this out of the park. Their designers just brought their absolute best, and we went a little bit crazy. Head over to the website and grab these pre-cuts, limited as always, and I will see you soon on another Shabby video.